This is a video of the unboxing of the reverse osmosis system. And I noticed that it's been open at the bottom. I've never opened this. This is the first time that I'm opening. As you can tell, they even got some sticker stuck to it. So I'm going to open it up from the bottom just to see what this is. The box has been worn quite a bit during shipping. It was shipped by regular mail, U.S. mail. Yeah, see, this is going right over the edge. Sticker. Whatever what it is. So out of curiosity, it has some code number on it, quantity. So, ever what information that it is. So somebody had opened it up. And it looks like it doesn't matter anyway. Gives you a manual, which if you're like me, you probably don't take it out of the bag. This box is open. It looks like it was never even closed in there. It wasn't even folded down. So that's the filters. And hoses. So that's what's in this box. The osmosis element. Must be the valve. Couple wrenches. And a bag of loose parts. Next, a 3.2 gallon tank. So here's the tank, 3.2 gallons. And it looks like it's metal. Yep. Looks in good condition. So it's got little sticky rubber feet on it for the bottom. I think this is a shipping part, so it won't get damaged. The shipping container is fairly thick too, the box. So that was a positive point right there. They spent the money on packing to protect the product. Okay. Figure out the easiest way to grab it. This is the shipping head. Actually, it's packed pretty well with the cushions and stuff. More packing material. And this is what the front looks like. Looks like it doesn't come with a cover or anything. And my guess goes like this, maybe. Maybe my guess is wrong. Yeah. I hate looking at the manual. That's against my religion. Oh, that's probably to hold the other filter. I have no clue. I might have to open the manual. It's got an AC cord. It has an electric pump. Actually a nice size one. This is 24 volts, 1.2 liters per minute, which is pretty good. And PSI max 125, low amperage. So. Okay, this is the unboxing video. Now the part 2 is going to be, how do we put this thing together? So thank you for watching for the unboxing video, and we'll be doing the next one next.